Well, this morning we're very lucky to have family law attorney Rebecca Gonzalez with us this morning, focusing on divorce. And thankfully, I've not had to deal with that, but I know so many people who have gone through a divorce, and there are always questions when you're going through a divorce. So thank you so much. Very nice to see you, Rebecca.
Very nice to see you again.
So I know you're a family law attorney, but again, focusing on divorce.
Well, what we're going to talk about is that under that header, there's three main areas. You've got divorce, custody, and child support issues that come up on a regular basis and are the most profound. There's also other things, adoption, termination, etc. We can get into that on different segments. But looking at what y'all asked me to do today is go over what are common situations of women and men coming in to my office with concerns. And the first one,
you got to know your rights, right? I mean, a lot of people will come, I'm sure, into your office and they'll say, my husband, my significant other is telling me this. Well, is that right? So you got to know what is law here in Texas. And that's where you come in, obviously.
Well, the initial consultations are always free, and that's the first thing people should know. I'll do telephone consults, or we do, in the office consults, starting with one common issue that a lot of women don't know the law around and always need to consult a lawyer before they just sign a final decree is, on post-divorce maintenance. And what this really is another word, in other states it's called alimony. Here it's post-divorce maintenance under Texas law. Now, what does that mean? The first thing I ask them, and ask in the questionnaire, is, how many years have you been married? If they say 10 years or more, I say, what's your earning capacity? Where are you at in your life, in your career? Many women are still putting their careers on hold, raising children, or earning far less than their counterpart. Well, at 10 years under the law, under the post-maintenance support code, it allows for a woman to start collecting 3 years post-maintenance divorce, 20% of her husband's or ex-husband's gross.
And that's
along with child support. But see, for example, a lot of times women come in and they want to keep it simple. No one wants to fight. Everybody wants to, and they come in with the deal they've already made with their husband. And I have to read through this and go, but wait a minute, you've been married 20 years, you've been married 15 years, you're entitled to 5 years. If you've been married 20 years, 7 years, and it goes on and on. So the reality is they need to stop, don't sign anything, even if they tell you, oh, but I'm giving you 60-40, but is he really?
You never really know until you come and sit down with a lawyer.